Welcome back to Farzana's art class. My today's lesson is how to draw rainbow. If you want to draw in color like me, please do not skip any part of this video. First, I'm drawing a line here, and for rainbow circle lines, I will use compass. And I'll draw here 8 lines for 7 colors. For sun, draw half circle. Now draw clouds and some raindrops. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.